Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language on Facebook. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube review statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Facebook app, and here it opens up in the feed. From here we just go into the top right corner and tap on the three lines. Then tap on the little cog in the top right corner again. Now we scroll down, and under preferences we find language and region. We tap on this, and then here we have multiple options to choose from. First we can set the language for buttons and titles and other text from Facebook. Here we can choose whichever language we like. Then we can set the language you'd like to have posts translated into as well. Languages you don't want to be offered translations for, you don't want automatically translated, and yeah, you can even set to share your post in multiple languages. So yeah, you can do all this here, and that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.